Most accounting systems at this price point give you just enough to get by. A basic ledger, a few reports, and a long list of things you'll have to figure out somewhere else. Odoo is different. It's not just accounting software. It's a fully connected financial engine that talks to sales, purchasing, inventory, and beyond. Real-time data, one system, no silos. Let's take a look. Let's start with the foundation, the chart of accounts. Odoo ships with a full US compliant chart already in place, so you're not starting from zero. You can edit, add custom accounts, or deactivate the ones you don't need. Each account can be tagged with things like account type, tax scope, or analytic dimensions, making reporting a breeze. And since it's all linked, when you create products, journals, or taxes, you're drawing directly from this list. Next up, journals. These are like labeled inboxes for your transactions. Sales, purchases, bank feeds, and more. Each one carries its own set of accounts logic, so your income, expenses, and payments are always hitting the right spot on the ledger automatically. Over in Settings, you'll configure the day-to-day behavior of the system, from payment terms and tax rules to rounding methods and multi-currency setup. You can also sync your bank account to pull in transactions daily and build reconciliation rules that auto-match payments to invoices. And behind the scenes, Odoo is tracking every transaction with tags, dates, and user information. It's not flashy, but this is what makes the rest of the system run smoothly. Let's talk about a typical sales workflow. We'll start by opening a product and reviewing the accounting setup, specifically the income and expense accounts. Most businesses do just fine using a single cost of goods sold account across all products, which keep reporting clean and straightforward. But if you need to track profitability with more granularity, you can assign different accounts per product or manage that logic centrally through product categories. Inside the product category, you'll find the costing method, like FIFO or standard, and inventory valuation settings. If you're using automated valuation, this is where Odoo starts generating accounting entries. The moment inventory moves, no manual journals needed. And in manufacturing environments, that detail becomes even more important. Let's open a bill of materials and drill down into one of the components. You'll see its preferred vendor, and from there you can assign vendor-specific accounting rules. For instance, expensing certain materials differently depending on the supplier. This is great for complex sourcing strategies or multi-region processing. That said, most companies keep it generic, same treatment across vendors to reduce complexity. But if you need that level of control, Odoo makes it easy to dial things in without custom code. On the purchasing side, the flow is tight and fully connected. You start with a purchase order, then receive the goods, and as soon as that happens, Odoo is ready to generate a vendor bill automatically, pulling in quantities and pricing. Behind the scenes, it's also suggesting the correct accounts and matching the bill to the related receipt. And when it comes to payments, Odoo makes it easy. You can register a payment, reconcile it, and even handle partial payments, or send reminders when invoices go overdue. Odoo's reporting is real-time, flexible, and fully integrated into the flow of your business. Need to see the details behind the numbers? Just open the general ledger. You can drill into any journal entry and trace it back to the original invoice, and even see who created it or approved it. For a broader view, the profit and loss and balance sheet update continuously as transactions happen. No waiting for batch exports or manual adjustments. And when you need to manage cash flow, Odoo gives you instant visibility. The aged receivables report shows exactly which customers owe you and how long they've owed it. The aged payables report does the same on the vendor side, helping you stay on top of outgoing payments. Real magic is in the filters. You can break things down by analytic accounts, product categories, sales reps, or project tags, and even build pivot tables to track trends over time. Whether you're answering questions from your CFO or just trying to keep operations on budget, Odoo turns accounting data into real business intelligence. Odoo Accounting isn't just a ledger, it's the backbone of your business. Every sale, every purchase, every inventory move. It's all connected in real time without spreadsheets or silos. That means fewer mistakes, faster close cycles, and decisions based on what's actually happening, not what happened last month. You're not just tracking numbers, you're tracking the full story behind them. From order to cash, from cost to margin. Odoo Accounting keeps every transaction tied to the big picture. And because it's part of a unified platform, you're not managing disconnected systems. You're running one synchronized engine. So whether you're scaling up, cleaning up, or just trying to get your evenings back, Odoo gives you the tools to move fast without losing control. It's how your team works smarter. It's how your data stays clean. It's not just accounting software. It's how your business stays in tune, on track, and ready for what's next.